Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check Amazon Prime Video watch history. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Prime Video app on your iPhone or Android device. If you scroll down, you'll see the Continue Watching section. This shows some of the TV shows and movies you have recently watched. However, that list does not show everything, especially older titles. To view your full watch history, open a web browser and go to the Amazon Prime Video website. Make sure you are signed into your account. Then, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Account and Settings. Next, go to the Watch History tab. Here, you'll see a complete list of everything you have watched on Prime Video, including shows like Fallout, Roadhouse, and Mr. and Mrs. Smith. The list will keep loading as you scroll down, showing all your past viewed titles. If you want to remove any titles from your watch history, just click the Delete button next to them. It may take a couple of days for the deleted titles to disappear completely, but they will be removed from your watch history eventually. So that's basically how you can check Amazon Prime Video watch history. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.